Hey y'all, welcome back to Rock Natural. And here are the products that we'll be using to bring my hair back to life. It needs some serious moisture, and I'm talking about serious. Now, it's not often that I neglect my hair, but when I do, it's definitely next level neglect, and I always feel bad. This Shea Moisture Hydrate and Repair brand was a great option and great line to bring my hair back to life. So if you're interested in to see how I got my new hairdo, keep watching. I should never, and no one should ever, let their hair get this bad. But it's okay because I have just the thing. So I'm going to be starting with the Hydrate and Repair shampoo. And I am going to do this real quick in the shower. So I'll be right back. Next, I'm going to be using this Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment. This stuff is so thick and perfect and just what I needed to help bring my hair back to life. My hair is kind of going through some things, and I think it's just me needing to, do a deep clean and really remove all of those products. But that shampoo was perfect. Now I'm applying this treatment. It says apply from roots to ends. The middle of my hair gets so dry, so I really want to make sure I put it on the top of my hair as well as towards the ends of my hair. Once I am done, I'm going to go ahead and twist this section and put it into a bantu knot and then move on to the next one. So once I removed or rinsed the protein treatment out, I let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes and then I rinsed it out. I went ahead and finished with this Hydrate conditioner. Next, I'm going to be taking the sections, and I usually do it in 4 down the middle and then split it again on the side. Splitting my hair into 4 sections really makes me make sure that I get every inch of my hair and that I can focus on each section alone. So I'm going to be taking this leave-in conditioner by Shea Moisture, this Hydrate and Repair multi-action leave-in, and it's so perfect. I'm usually not a fan of spraying leave-in conditioners. I feel like it's easier for me just to squirt, go rub it in, but this, the smell is awesome for one. For two, this really, I felt like was getting the job. I sprayed myself in the eye, but I really feel like this was getting the job done. Like, can you see how much actually comes out when you're spraying your hair? Like, I feel like with any other spray leave-in that it would not cover the hair this well. So I really enjoyed this product. I'm going to go ahead and spray this, and then I'm going to rub it in. So I did decide to use another product over the leave-in conditioner. The leave-in conditioner was so great. It's not really super lightweight, but it's like in between. And so I just needed something a little bit thicker because I'm going to be wearing a wash and go. And I just wanted my curls, to be a little bit more defined. But the leave-in was great for really moisturizing my hair. I just needed to put something on top of it. So for the final step, I'm going to be using this Hydrate and Repair Split End Balm. And so there's been many things going out about this product, and I do love it because I really do feel like it makes my ends look more put together. If it's not time for your trim or you're not ready to trim your hair, it's really great in that sense, and it really just gives you like a clean look to your ends. So I do find that it works a little bit wetter or a little bit better on dry hair. Like if you're doing this style, you can put it on your ends, but it also worked really well for this wet style. So as you can see, my hair is already coming back to life compared to when I first started and it was super dry. You're going to continue to do all those steps for each of the other sections, and I will show you the end results. So here's the finished product. As you can see, my ends are so much better, so much back to life. My hair just looks a lot more moisturized. You do see some white product. You know, once your hair dries, that will all go away. So thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next upload. Toodles!